I'm going to show you how to add a location to your TikTok post. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually make a post. So we click on the plus icon at the bottom middle section of the screen. From here, we are going to our gallery. And I am going to select this video on the right, this one. And right now we want to add a location. And in this area, in this screen, we can only edit the TikTok. We can add a sound. When you click on add sound, you will go to the sound library. You can edit this post by adding text, just basically everything you need, filters. But when you want to add a location, we are going to do that in the next screen. So for that, we click on next. And in here, it's getting more interesting. We can add a description, we can edit the cover. And when you look a little bit more down below, you see location. And we're going to click on this. And now we click on cancel. And as you can see, there are a lot of locations you can pick. It will give you suggestions based on your last shared location with the app TikTok. But you can basically select any location in the world. For example, New York. And when you add New York to your post, the chance of targeting audience from the location New York or the United States or just the country that you type in to this section will increase. So this will give you a higher chance of targeting audience abroad. So this is how you add location to your TikTok post. When you finalize it, you just click on post at the bottom right, or when you want to save it as a draft, you just basically save it as a draft at the bottom left. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.